Hey everybody, Tom here from HID Projectors, and this time we have the 7-inch round Turbine Stage 3. So if you guys are looking for a color changing headlight, stick around. Let's talk about all the awesome features that you can get with this setup. So the Stage 3 headlight, especially with the 7-inch round, this is going to fit like all your classic cars and trucks, your Jeep Wranglers, your semi-tractor trailers, your motorcycles, anything with that old H6024 headlight. This is a solution for you. So the Stage 3 is really popular because it gives you all the color changing stuff. And I've got my phone here with the app set up. I can select which colors I want. I get the color changing halo, I get the color changing rear angel eye, and I get the color changing devil eye, right? So all these features are available to you in the app. You can select all these colors. If you turn it off and turn it back on, it's going to remember the last setting that you set it on. You can also go in and maybe decide you want like a teal, for example. Teal halos don't exist unless you use the color changing feature. We can do purples, we can do reds, we can do greens, all sorts of cool stuff. There's also 20 different built-in show modes that really is fun to play with, so you can kind of speed these up, slow them down, have them beat to music, do a bunch of cool stuff. So then if we turn them off, we can actually talk about the headlight itself. You get this beautiful turbine shroud, the black housing, you have our high-performing bi-LED projector in the middle, which is just going to give you phenomenal output. So what you're going to get from us is a hand-built headlight built specifically for you, made in Buffalo, New York. If you want to change something, we can change something. Maybe you don't want the chrome shroud here, you want it to be color matched, we can do that. Maybe you want to etch the lens in the middle, we can do that. Maybe you don't want the halo or don't want the angel eye, or you want to combine things, change things. This is why we're here, folks, to give you a high-performing product that is also customizable so you get what you want for your ride. You can only do it at HIDprojectors.com. Call us, we're here to help. Thank you for watching.